Good day, all students, and welcome to Europe Hotel School London. I am Arfan, your instructor for this lesson, and the other instructor is Anna.
Hello, everyone. We're thrilled to have you joining us today.
Yes, absolutely. Today, we're going to discuss setting performance standards and expectations in hotel human resource operations. It's, a crucial aspect for achieving operational excellence and exceeding guest expectations.
Definitely, Arfan. You know, without clear performance standards, employees might feel like they're navigating without a map.
Exactly.
Could you tell us more about why these standards are so essential?
Sure thing. Clear and well-defined performance standards offer numerous benefits. They improve employee performance and enhance guest satisfaction.
Right.
Plus, they strengthen employer branding, making the hotel a desirable place to work.
That's interesting. How do we begin setting these standards?
Well, it starts with job analysis. Understanding the specific duties and responsibilities of each role is essential. It's like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can start constructing the walls.
I like that analogy. So, after job analysis, what's next?
Then we move on to goal setting. Establishing clear, measurable objectives for employees gives them direction and purpose. It's about setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound.
I've heard of SMART goals. They really help in focusing efforts.
Exactly. And to measure performance effectively, we need to establish a system for tracking progress.
Right.
It allows for objective evaluation of employee achievements and identifies areas for improvement.
But what if employees feel micromanaged? How do we balance monitoring performance without overwhelming them?
That's a great point, Anna. It's important to create an environment of trust. The performance measurement system should be transparent and used as a tool for development, not just evaluation.
Yeah.
Regular feedback plays a key role here.
Speaking of feedback, how often should it be given?
Ideally, feedback should be ongoing. Regular coaching sessions provide opportunities for employees to receive guidance and support. It also allows managers to recognize achievements promptly.
That makes sense. Waiting until the annual review might be too late for addressing issues.
Exactly. And formal performance evaluations at regular intervals offer a comprehensive assessment.
Right.
They serve as a basis for recognition, rewards, and career development decisions.
You mentioned rewards. How important is recognition in this process?
Recognition is extremely important. It reinforces the performance standards and motivates employees to strive for excellence.
Yeah.
It's like fueling a car. Without it, progress stalls.
That's so true. Now let's talk about creating a culture of excellence. How do we build that within the hotel?
Building a culture of excellence requires commitment from leadership and collaboration across all departments. Leaders need to model the behaviors they expect from employees.
So it's about leading by example?
Exactly. When leaders demonstrate the importance of performance standards, it sets the tone for the entire organization.
Right.
Communication and collaboration become key components.
How can we foster open communication in such a busy environment?
Well, it's about creating channels where employees feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and feedback. Regular team meetings, suggestion boxes, or even informal chats can make a big difference. It builds trust and engagement.
And what about training and development?
Providing training opportunities equips employees with the skills they need to meet performance expectations. It also shows that the organization is invested in their growth.
That's important for retention, isn't it?
Absolutely. Employees are more likely to stay with a company that values and invests in them. Plus, it enhances the overall service quality.
Now, Arfan, earlier you mentioned continuous improvement. How does that play into performance standards?
Continuous improvement involves regularly reviewing and updating performance standards to keep them relevant.
Yeah.
It's about adapting to changes in organizational objectives and industry trends.
But don't you think constantly changing standards might confuse employees?
That's a fair concern. The key is to communicate changes effectively and provide the necessary support during transitions. Change should be managed thoughtfully.
Agreed. It's about evolution, not revolution.
Exactly. We want to enhance the performance standards, not overhaul them abruptly.
Right.
This approach helps maintain stability while promoting growth.
You know, it's like upgrading the software on your phone. You get new features without losing your data.
That's a great analogy, Anna. It captures the
Thanks.
essence perfectly.
Thank you. So, in essence, setting performance standards is a dynamic process that requires ongoing attention.
Precisely. By implementing a comprehensive framework for performance management, hotels can foster a culture of excellence that drives success. It's a win-win for employees and the organization.
Absolutely. But I wonder, what challenges might organizations face in this process?
Well, some challenges include resistance to change, lack of alignment between departments, or insufficient resources for training. Addressing these requires strategic planning and commitment.
That's true. Perhaps involving employees in the process could help mitigate some resistance.
Exactly. When employees feel involved and heard, they are more likely to embrace changes. Collaboration is key.
Well, Arfan, this has been a really insightful discussion.
Indeed, Anna. I hope our students have gained valuable insights into setting performance standards and creating a culture of excellence.
I'm sure they have. Remember, everyone, these principles are not just theories, but practical tools you can apply in your future careers.
Yeah, absolutely. And with that, I think it's time to wrap up.
Agreed.
Thank you for listening and have a nice day, everyone. By the way, please complete all the quizzes from the lessons you've learned. Thanks. Bye.